Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add your name on the lock screen. For this, go to the control center. Then here you can see the option focus. Press and hold this focus mode. Then tap on the plus button, new focus. At the bottom tap on this one. Then tap on the option custom. So here we can enter our name that we want to see on the lock screen. Okay. Yeah, I enter the name and also you can change the color. Yeah, and you can customize the icon here. So from here I am going to select the icon, this one. Okay, now tap on next, tap on customize focus. Okay, now again go to the control center, tap and hold the focus mode. Now you can see your name is here. Tap on this one. Now you can see it is on. Now lock the device. Now you can see your name is on the lock screen. Right? So simply in this way you can enable, you can set your name on your lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.